Do you leak when you laugh, sneeze, cough, or when you stand up? Or do you have this situation when you have a sudden urge to go to toilet and you never make it there on time? This is called incontinence. Sometimes our pelvic muscles become weak or they are under pressure. If you identify with this, you take a ball like this one and put it on a chair and then you sit on it. You rock back and forth, back and forth. This may help relax and release the pressure on your pelvic muscles. Our bodies need movement and relaxation sometimes, not just squeezing.